Plotted a route around a natural area with a lot of lakes. Looks very beautiful, like a second road, a small road. And we hope we can avoid this kind of busy road a little bit. People are so friendly. We can almost not get any forward. So my crooked sunglasses style, do you like it? Just one of those still. It's really difficult to make some cool film shots because every time you stop, people stop as well, come to take a picture with you.
You're sitting on your telephone.
No. It's not the first time.
Another exciting moment. People walking in the tent.
Second time this trip.
Yeah, we were wild camping here on this farmland, and there were some other guys that saw us, and probably they called the owner of this land, so he came by. He didn't scare us at all.
No,
So,
totally not. I'm totally at ease right now.
Very
actually.
relaxed. So total opposite. Maybe you could check the other video. We will put a link up.
He invited us to stay at his home, and like in Iran, you have to say 10 times, "It's okay, we're fine here. Is it okay to stay on your land tonight? Because we really want to sleep here."
He was very happy, he said.
Yes, that we can. I don't know why, but yeah, that's cool. So good night.
Just climbed up from the town of Esteban. It was a pretty steep climb, 400 meters. But behind me is the valley. We're here on the saddle now. And there was a family also stopping to watch the view. And they struck up a conversation with us. So we got a bag full of oranges and pomegranates. And also they got this date balls with nuts and seeds in them. And they're absolutely delicious. And these people are so friendly and so welcoming, and they give you lots and lots and lots and lots of fruit. Gonna be very healthy here in Iran.
Video. Just video.
Sí. Video.
Yes.
We're now here on the streets of Hyderabad and we're with the National Young Motor Pension guys. There are all these guys on their motorcycles and somehow they really like us. They follow us everywhere and it's kind of cool.
Sometimes it can be super annoying when you try to make a video and a car stops in front of the camera and they come out of the car and they immediately start taking pictures. Now they are saying that they're from the government and they're calling someone and we have to talk into the camera and stuff. It's a really strange situation. So we're just driving off now and we will see.
Excuse me here for my ninja style. Every time we take out the video recorder, there are people stopping and offering help, and of course this is great, but for filming it's very difficult, and yeah, you feel very much like a celebrity here in Iran. This is what it really must like to be famous. I'm stumbling over my words, I'm sorry. Oh, here are these guys coming, see? Here are these guys.
Hello.
Hello, mister. Hello.
Hello, Mr.
Hello. How are you? Hello.
Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice
Nice to meet you. A minute ago there was a knock on the door and we weren't expecting anybody. So when we opened up the door, the staff of the hotel had a Christmas present for us. So check this out.
امشب در واقع شب مقدسشونه، هولی نایتشون هست. فردا شب کریسمسه که ما 2 تا مهمون هلندی داریم و میخوایم پیشاپیش کریسمس رو بهشون تبریک بگیم.
خیلی خوب، بفهمید من هستم البته.
Hello.
Hello, Merry Christmas. This is Holy Night, yeah, tonight, and tomorrow your Christmas.
Very tasty. So today is the 25th of December. It's Christmas and we are packing up our stuff to head out to Bandar Abbas. These guys are laughing their ass off, I don't know why. Okay.